When grace meets might in a forest clash, what hybrid creature emerges? What happens when a land racer confronts a river predator? Witness their ultimate fusion. Speed versus strength. What monstrous power will the horse and rhino create together? The hunter meets the runner. What beast is born from this primal encounter? Land versus sea. How will a horse and walrus merge into an unstoppable creature? The king of the jungle meets the wild stallion. Imagine the hybrid ruler of both land and plains. Enjoyed the wild transformations? Hit follow and subscribe for more. Drop your ideas for the next epic combo below.